won't stop. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, we will be unboxing something again. This product over here came in last month at ngayon ko lang siya ma-unbox together with you guys. It's makeup mirror and nano mister for skincare. This company reached out to me and they wanted me to try their product, so they sent it to me last month pa. So let's open this. Let's see what it looks like. It comes with a manual, comes with a bottle, a charger. Wow, the packaging is really pretty. What does it look like? I'm not sure how this thing works, but we will figure it out. Here, deal with all kinds of skin problems easily. Dry skin, oil skin, or sensitive skin. Comes with a mirror guys. This is like a power button over here. I'm supposed to put water inside of this thing. I just opened this. There is a hole over there. I'm gonna try to wash this thing first and then we're gonna put the water inside of this. I'll be right back guys. Hey guys, I am back and I ended up putting a mineral water in this one. I'm gonna squeeze it. I'm gonna fill it up all the way and let's close it. Kind of a bit messy, but I have a towel over here. Now let's see what's the next step. So let's open it. Let's press the power button. Oh my god, what? You have that sound like psst. Okay, so let's try it again guys. The water gonna come out in the middle, so let's do it again. Oh, there you go. It's like smoke coming out from this thing. It has like an LED light on the side and you can adjust the brightness of the mirror. This is off. Let's turn it on. 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 settings of the LED light. The thing I like about this is the mirror. Yeah, this is very convenient, and especially it comes with the LED lights already. Right now I can see that I have like a mascara thing over here. I can just easily put it in my purse. Let me move closer to you guys so that you guys can see. Oh wow, it won't stop. There's no like water. Wow, I cannot feel any water. And it stopped. It's not the same when you spray with your setting spray, face gonna get wet, but this one is like not at all. Like I don't feel like my face got wet, you guys. So I just don't see any difference on my face. I don't feel like it's hydrated. I did not feel any water at all. I just feel like it's just like a smoke blowing into my face. I'm gonna leave it down below, the price and the website, and you guys can check it out. Let me know if you have any question, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.